Are you tired of tedious and time-consuming task of managing goods in warehouses? Imagine a solution that eliminates manual entry and streamlines the process, saving you valuable time and resources. The result? A streamlined warehouse management process that saves you time, reduces errors, and enhances overall productivity. With the ability to quickly generate accurate lists of products, you can make informed decisions, optimize inventory levels, and ensure smooth operations. By harnessing the power of technology and automation, you can transform your warehouse management practices and stay ahead of the competition. Imagine being able to generate accurate lists of products in seconds without the need for manual entry. Here is how it works. If you are accustomed to preparing lists of entering data manually, prepare to be amazed. We are about to unveil a method that requires manual entry and delivers results rapidly. By utilizing the filter function, you can transform your warehouse management process effortlessly. First, locate the filter function and select your product list. Then, fix the area and insert a semicolon. Next, choose the residual list, fix the area once more, and press F4. Specify that the residual value must be greater than 0 and voila! You now have a list containing only products with non-zero quantities. But wait, there is more! We are not stopping here. We also demonstrate how to generate a list of products with zero quantities in just a few seconds. Simply copy the formula used for the previous list and make a slight adjustment. Specify that the residual value must be less than or equal to 0. With this revolutionary method, you can create two lists in a matter of seconds, allowing you to effortlessly manage your warehouse inventory. Embrace efficiency and accuracy with this innovative approach to warehouse management. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.